Toronto FC played a game last night. I challenged Greenhorizons to do a 24-hour install. My name is Robert Heggie. I'm the head groundskeeper for Maple Leaf Sports and Entertainment. I oversee BMO Field and BMO Training Grounds, the practice facility for Toronto FC. The quick turnaround was to prove to ourselves that if we needed to turn this place around in 24 hours or a 48-hour period because of a time crunch because of scheduling, we'd be able to do it. So we just figured using this opportunity to prove it to ourselves.
I'm Steve Sheetal. I'm president of Greenhorizons Sod Farms. We're out here at BMO Field early in the morning. We're a longtime partner with BMO and the Toronto FC. We're in the middle of a compressed renovation process. The process actually starts 2 years ago when the sod starts, and we have a commitment from the BMO Field to replace it. This is a custom grown sod on engineered sand. The blend of bluegrass that we're using at the facility today is a very unique blend, ideal for professional athletes being able to cut and turn and move quickly. Creates a very dense, tight turf, has the ability to recover and recoup very, very quickly.
Greenhorizons actually grows Kentucky bluegrass in a sand-based mix for me. Growing a soccer field on sand, I'm kind of unique in this situation. They grow the sod in the equivalent root zone that we're growing here, so that there's no layering issue.
So this is a really exciting process. It started last night harvesting sod at about 6 p.m. We have a crew of 5 people harvesting sod all through the night, so that's going to be a 12 to 14-hour process. About 10 o'clock last night, a crew came in and started renovating the field, removing the old grass. From there, we're hauling the old grass out into the parking lot, and from there, we're reloading it onto 30 trucks and hauling it back to our farm. Right now, we're doing some final laser grading, preparing the growing medium for the new sod to be laid on. And then we have a crew of about 40 people that are going to be coming in and laying the big rolls of sod. We hope to be done around 9 o'clock tonight. Greenhorizons just has a great breadth of resources to pull from. We have 3 production facilities, we have 43 trucks, we have crews working 24/7 from the beginning of this to the end of this.
I couldn't ask anything better out of all these guys. They put on quite the show. It was a great opportunity to see what we could do.
BMO and the Toronto Football Club want their field to be absolutely top-notch for their players so that we can continue to win. And we've proven it. The team is winning last year, had a fantastic season the last couple of years. And I think some of that is attributed to the turf managers that manage the field and the sod and the process that goes on here. Greenhorizons just loves to rise to the occasion to get the job done.
I believe no one takes sod installation and sod more seriously than Greenhorizons, and we have a great relationship.